Hi friends, I am Amit and my today's topic is the refinement, the peppiness, the comfortability, drivability, smoothness of Maruti's most selling, most desired 1.2 ICE come naturally aspirated engine. As of now, this engine is coming up with Fronx, Baleno, Wagoner. Earlier it was be a part of Swift and Desire as well, but I don't know why Maruti is discontinuing this superb technological marvel with the best-selling cars, especially like Swift and Desire. It may be a marketing strategy, it may be the effect of competition, or there are certain forces and marketing trends which a company need to consider while offering new models into the market. But still, from an end user perspective, this engine is the best ever technological development which can happen with a 4-cylinder ICE and naturally aspirated technology. So I must say that despite of so much sales and despite of their decision to discontinuing this engine in the best-selling models, Maruti should have considered a thought like to introducing much more bigger shells than Fronx, Baleno, Wagoner, slightly closer to Brezza. The perfect size and shape would be by some other competitors like Magnite from Nissan, Kiger, 3XO. Even they are coming up with a bigger shells, bigger body types, but the engines are smooth, small. They are 3 cylinders. Turbo is there or turbo is not there. Never been a issue for Maruti's technological advancements. But what I personally feel that the perfect car can't be made. No, nothing is perfect. But still, Maruti is much more closer to this statement. But they should have been designed some cars similar looking to Magnite, Kiger, 3XO, and this engine will blast the sales like anything, I'm sure. Patents and copyrights and design management team must have some legal issues, but still, from a general layman's perspective, if this 1.2 liter engine would have been placed in Magnite, it will kill the market of hatchback, premium hatchbacks, compact SUVs. That is my personal analysis and recommendation to the designers of Maruti Suzuki. So I request to Maruti designers not to discontinue this engine, even put better looking models, even better than Fronx, Baleno to this technological marvel. If the sale is the only criteria, then Maruti should do that. Otherwise, they are far better experienced than market shareholders. That is also a remarkable achievement. They know far better than end users. So let's wrap it and see you in my next video. Thanks for listening.